It's okay, sweetie. It's okay. Take a deep breath. You're just having a little anxiety attack. It's okay, sweetie. I'm here. I'm here, baby. Everything's gonna be okay, I promise, alright? Okay? I'm here to protect you, okay? You're gonna be safe with me. Okay? I'm gonna keep you safe. I promise. Nothing's gonna happen, okay? Nothing's gonna happen to my beautiful girl, okay? And I felt this weird pull towards you. Like I had to go and say hi. And I was really nervous. I was really scared. But I knew that I couldn't let this moment pass. So I came over my fear and we started talking. And I can honestly tell you that was the best decision of my life. Something like a simple hello really changed everything. I never thought something so small would lead to this. Us here together. I'm so glad. I'm so glad I said hi to you that day. Here, sweetie, let me hold you, okay? It's okay. Here, come close. Your heart is beating so fast. Don't worry. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay. Everything's gonna be okay, alright? I love you so much. Okay, princess. You know you're my everything. And just breathe, okay? Breathe, sweetie. Good. Good, princess. Everything's gonna be okay. I love you so much, okay? You're my everything. You are. I'm here. I'm here. Don't worry. Don't worry, sweetheart. Okay? I'm gonna take good care of you, okay? Yeah? Okay. Baby, how do you feel now? Do you feel better? Good. I mean, I was concerned, you know. I was worried. I was really, really worried. I mean, of course I'm worried, sweetie. Like, you know, you having a panic attack and having anxiety just makes you worry so much. Like, I just want you to be stress-free and anxiety-free. And, you know, I just want to take care of you. It's my job to take care of you. And that's all I want to do. I just want to make my baby well again. You know? And I love you so much. You know I love you. You know I'll do anything for you, princess. I would do anything for you whatsoever. You're my baby. Here, let me grab you some tea, some hot tea, because I think that would make you feel better, you know? I think you just need to drink something. Give me 1 second. There you go, baby. I got you some tea. Here you go. It's really, really hot, so drink it slowly, okay? I don't want you to burn yourself. You're so cute, baby. I love you so much. I hope this makes you feel better. You know, sometimes I don't tell you enough, but I really do love you and appreciate you so much. You're my everything, and you're so cute in every way. Sometimes I just have a hard time just expressing myself, you know, because I'm just so manly like that. But with you, I feel like I can be vulnerable, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. I might be just talking crazy talk, but I really, really love you, and you are my everything. Here, scoot over really quick, baby. Let's cuddle. Okay? Let's cuddle. Come here close. Cuddle into my arms like that. Good. That's my good princess. I love you so much, okay, baby? I love you so much. I just love holding you. Holding you is like one of my favorite things to do. I can hold you all day long. I really can. And I would love to hold you forever, for a lifetime, if I could. You're so cute. Doesn't this feel nice? It feels nice, doesn't it? I love keeping you warm. Do you remember the day when we first met? I mean, I remember it very clearly. It's still very clear to me. I remember that day I was just going about my day. And honestly, I didn't expect anything special. And then I walked into that small coffee shop. You know, the one with the cozy chairs and the fresh smell of coffee. Yeah, that one exactly. And as I walked in, I saw you. I saw you sitting there by the window, just looking outside, and I don't know why, but there was something about you that caught my attention. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes in the world. You really do. Your eyes are something special. They are. I mean, I'm not saying this just to impress you, but they are. It's like, and they sparkle when you like talk about something you love, you know. It's a little bit distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it too much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? I mean, sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Like you have this unique beauty that I can't help but notice, you know? But on the real though, you should really be careful. With eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You stole my heart. You know, you got the most beautiful lips I have ever seen. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And it feels like everything fades away but me and you. And it makes me feel so lucky to be with you. mean, I can listen to you speak for hours. Your voice combines with the way your lips just moves. It's so mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feels so special. You know, your lips are just so beautiful. They are. Your lips, they hold so much warmth and kindness. It makes it very, very comforting to be close to you. I mean, I know you probably deserve to hear this more, but you are amazing inside and out. And your hair is it's just so beautiful. And I love brushing my hair behind your ear. It looks so soft and smooth. And I like the way how the light shines on it. It just glows. And I get lost in it sometimes. Your hair just fits your face so perfectly, it frames it so perfectly. But I really, really like brushing my fingers through your hair. It feels nice. And sometimes, when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. It's like there's a whole brand new side of you that comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. You really do. And all this makes up your face. And that's why you got the most beautiful face in the world. Every time I see your face, it just lights up my whole world. It makes my day so much better. Even when I'm having the worst day. And I love watching your expressions change. Whether you're happy or sad or annoyed. Every single emotion across your face it's just so captivating. And I don't know if you realize this, but you have a way of making me feel calm. I can spend hours here just looking at your face, being mesmerized by every curve and every part of your face. You are so incredible. And every time I see your face, I feel like I'm falling for you all over again. You have this natural beauty that no one else could ever compare to. And you're everything to me. And I am so lucky that I get to wake up to your beautiful face every single day, now on, from here on out. And I don't think I tell you this enough, but I love the way how you carry yourself. It's so incredible. You have this warmth and lightness to you that just makes everything feel better when you're around. And I notice how you treat people. You always seem to know what to say.